Welcome to the best picks. The best Norelco Razors is probably one of the most essential tools in a man's grooming arsenal, offering a quick and convenient way to achieve a clean shave. But with so many options available, finding the perfect electric razor can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Norelco Razors, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you choose the ideal model for your needs. Number 5. Norelco Philips Multigroomer 3000, 13-in-1 Grooming Kit. This all-in-one grooming kit has everything you need. It includes 13 attachments for your beard, face, nose, and ear hair. It's designed to make grooming easy and efficient. It comes with a full-size steel trimmer, precision trimmer, and a nose and ear hair trimmer. There are also multiple guards for different hair lengths. This kit has you covered for any style. The dual-cut technology features self-sharpening blades. These blades stay sharp, even after 2 years of use. This ensures a precise and consistent trim every time. Unlike other trimmers, this one requires no oil. The blades and guards are easy to detach and rinse. This makes cleaning and maintenance simple. This trimmer is suitable for all hair types. The blades are made of metal, ensuring durability. The grease ensures consistent trimming performance over time. What we like. This trimmer comes with a whopping 13 attachments, making it a true all-in-one grooming solution. It also features dual-cut technology for maximum precision. If you have diverse grooming needs, from beard trimming to nose hair removal, this is the perfect kit for you. It's the ultimate grooming companion. What people say. It's easy to use, super practical, and includes everything he needs to keep his beard, face, nose, and ears perfectly groomed. The battery holds a solid charge, and it's perfect for travel, no need to recharge constantly. All the attachments I could ever need for a shaver this size. Very sharp cut and no pulling. Not noisy when using so I don't wake others. Easily allow lift removal and insert and snap change of cutting heads. Number 4. Philips Norelco Shaver 2300, S121181. Get a comfortable, clean shave with this shaver. It features rounded blade caps and 27 self-sharpening blades. This allows the shaver to gently cut hair just above the skin level. Experience a convenient shave with heads that flex and float in 4 directions. The head adjusts to the curves of your face. This ensures smooth contact without a lot of pressure. It comes with a pop-up trimmer for your mustache and sideburns. This is ideal for maintaining your mustache and trimming your sideburns. This shaver is designed for easy cleaning with a one-touch open feature. The heads flex and float in 4 directions, ensuring a smooth shave. Enjoy 40 minutes of cordless shaving after an 8-hour charge. That's about 13 shaves. You can also plug it in for instant, continuous power. Make sure the product is switched off before charging. Use the power cord provided to connect the shaver to a 100V to 240V AC outlet. After charging, remove the plugs from the outlet and the product. What we like. The Shaver 2300 features comfort cut blades and 4D flex heads for a smooth and comfortable shave. It also includes a handy pop-up trimmer. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use shaver for daily use, this is a great choice. It provides a clean shave without irritating your skin. What people say. Easy to use and clean. Shaves great and one charge lasts for many shaves. Reliable Norelco product. The shave is smooth, quiet, and comfortable. It glides easily over the skin and handles both short stubble and longer hair without pulling or irritation. It is very quiet, light and easy to hold. I shave slowly, but even so it is quite a bit quicker than a wet shave. Number 3. Philips Norelco Shaver 3500S 321282. This shaver features 5 directional pivot, flex, and floating movements. It adapts to the contours of your face and neck, ensuring close and comfortable contact with your skin. You can enjoy a convenient dry shave or a refreshing wet shave with gel or foam. This shaver is even suitable for use in the shower, offering you flexibility in your grooming routine. The shaver has comfort-cut blades designed to glide smoothly over your skin. These rounded blade caps shield 27 self-sharpening blades, providing a clean and comfortable shave. It also includes a pop-up trimmer for your mustache and sideburns. This is perfect for maintaining your facial hair and achieving a well-groomed look. With a 1-hour charge, you get up to 60 minutes of cordless shaving, which is about 20 shaves. A quick 5-minute charge provides enough power for one shave, making it convenient for travel. What we like. This shaver features 5D pivot and flex heads for a close and comfortable shave, and it can be used wet or dry. It also offers a long 60-minute runtime. If you like the flexibility of shaving in the shower or prefer a quick dry shave, this shaver is designed for your convenience. It adapts to your routine. What people say. The shaver provides a close and comfortable shave. The design is ergonomic and easy to handle. It effectively cuts through both short and long hairs. Number 2. Philips Norelco Shaver 7200S788782. This shaver features nano skin glide coating, which can improve gliding on your skin. It minimizes irritation by up to 30%. This allows for a smoother shave. The steel precision blades provide up to 90,000 cutting actions per minute. These self-sharpening blades are made in Europe and designed for a close shave, cutting more hair with each stroke. The intelligent facial hair sensor reads hair density 250 times per second. It dynamically adapts cutting power for a gentle shave. This ensures a comfortable experience. Motion sensing technology tracks how you shave. It guides you to improve your shaving technique. This helps you achieve a better shave with fewer passes. The fully flexible heads turn 360 degrees to follow your facial contours. This ensures optimal skin contact for a thorough and comfortable shave. You'll get a close and even shave. You can fully charge the shaver in just 1 hour. If you're in a hurry, a 5-minute charge provides enough power for one shave. It's convenient and efficient. Adapt your shaving routine to your needs with wet and dry. You can enjoy a comfortable dry shave or a refreshing wet shave with gel or foam, even in the shower. It's versatile and convenient. What we like. The Shaver 7200 uses SenseIQ technology to adapt to your beard's density, and features steel precision blades for a close shave. It also includes motion sensing technology to guide your technique. If you are looking for a smart and personalized shaving experience, this shaver is perfect for you. It learns your face and adapts to your needs. What people say. It gives a very close shave with no effort. All you have to do is pass it over your face. It's relatively quiet. It's smooth. It does what it's supposed to do. No pulling. No scratching. No irritation. I have shaved for nearly 50 years. This is my first rotary shaver. I had to replace my MG 7750, which would no longer take a charge. I never knew that I could have as clean a shave a trim as I have enjoyed with this one, to the point where others are noticing the difference in my appearance. It's been giving me a shave nearly as close as a razor, not quite there, without irritation, without the process and the mess of wet shaving, in about half the time. Number 1. Philips Norelco Shaver 7800S788585. This shaver features a nano skin glide coating, with up to 250,000 microtech beads per square centimeter. It improves gliding on your skin by up to 30%, minimizing irritation. This allows for a smoother shave. The shaver has steel precision blades that provide up to 90,000 cutting actions per minute. These self-sharpening blades, made in Europe, cut more hair per stroke, ensuring a close shave. The intelligent facial hair sensor reads hair density 250 times per second. It dynamically auto-adapts cutting power for an effortless and gentle shave. This ensures a comfortable experience. Motion sensing technology tracks how you shave. It guides you to an improved shaving technique with fewer passes. This helps you achieve a better shave. Fully flexible heads turn 360 degrees to follow your facial contours. This provides optimal skin contact for a thorough and comfortable shave. It adapts to your face. You can fully charge the shaver in just 1 hour with the lithium-ion battery. If you're in a hurry, a 5-minute charge provides enough power for one shave. Please note that the wall adapter is not included. Adapt your shaving routine to your needs with wet and dry. You can enjoy a comfortable dry shave or a refreshing wet shave with gel or foam, even in the shower. It offers flexibility. What we like. The Shaver 7800 features nano skin glide coating for reduced irritation and steel precision blades for a close shave. It also includes a quick clean pod for easy maintenance. If you want the ultimate in shaving comfort and convenience, this shaver is the one. It offers a premium experience with advanced features. What people say. They have given it a longer handle and modernized the floating heads. It does a good job both ways. I will use the pop-up trimmer. The early versions of this razor also had this feature, and it would be especially useful if I still had a mustache. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.